How to add a dot in Adobe Acrobat. Alright, let's talk about humble dot, the period. Seems simple, right? But a misplaced dot can totally change the meaning of your writing. Where does it go? I'm leaving that question for you. Now let's dive into the topic. First thing first, open the document where you want to add a dot. And after you open your PDF, you will see this type of interface. Now what you have to do is simply go to the E sign, which is right over here. You can see it in top left. Simply tap on it. And that will open a sidebar for you. And on the sidebar, you can see an option for the dot, which is this one. And if you didn't find this one, simply take reference to this field and sign yourself over here. So it's visible on our screen. Simply tap on it. That will change your cursor into a dot like this. Now take a dot where you want to add a dot. For example, I want to add a dot on this course content over here. Now simply tap on dot. And it's done. There you have it. You have successfully added a dot in your Adobe Acrobat. That's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.